some families shoveling today, and we have seen some traffic here on this roadway. We've also seen a lot of plow trucks. You can see one going by right now. I did speak with a plow truck driver earlier this morning who told me that it was sort of hard to keep up with things because of how fast the snow is accumulating. So they're constantly making rounds to keep up with this snow to try to clear the roads off. You can see it's freezing a little bit and there's still a layer of snow here on Route 11. I did bring my ruler, so I want to measure how much snow we have here in Shippensburg, Cumberland County. Let's see. Right here, just off the curb, that says we're at 8 inches. Let's see if my photographer, Nate, can zoom in on that. Yeah, we're a little over 8 inches there here in Shippensburg, Cumberland County. And like I just said, this is the curb. When I opened the car door, my door opened up into the snow. There's just so much snow here. The sidewalks have not all been shoveled at all yet. People are still staying warm inside, although we did see some people out earlier today. There's another person walking there behind me. Some people just want to brave the storm and see these conditions. Other people, maybe they have somewhere to go. The roads are starting to get clear, but again, plow truck drivers did tell me that the snow is accumulating very fast, so they have to keep making those rounds. And of course, snow emergencies have been declared in many municipalities across the mid-state. So the best advice is if you don't have to go anywhere today, just stay home.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.